You would think that when you're buying a house, all it would be principal, interest, taxes, and insurance, because that's what we've talked about. But unfortunately, there's other costs that can end up rearing their ugly head and preventing you from actually buying the home. One of those is MIP or PMI, premium mortgage insurance, or mortgage insurance premium, depending on what that lender calls it. That rate is set by the federal government, and anytime you don't put down 20% or more on a home, you will have that premium mortgage insurance on your payment. So how you figure out how much it is you take the dollar amount of the home, let's just say $300,000, and you multiply it times 0.55%. That's the rate currently set by the federal government on loans that are not 20% down or more. When you get that number, if it's $1,500 or $2,200 or whatever it is, you take that and you divide it by 12 months, and then that gets the dollar amount that'll be on your loan. So for example, right now on a $300,000 loan with $20,000 down, you would take that and you multiply it out. And when you do the math, you get $137 a month, and that $137 a month stays on your loan for the life of the loan if it's FHA, and for until you own more than 80% of the home if it's conventional. Additionally, something that could cause you to not be able to get your home would be the HOA. Some HOAs are huge. There are properties here that have $400, $500 HOAs. So you want to make sure you know that up front. There's also something called PID, PID, Public Improvement District. If your home's in a PID, you're going to have an extra fee every month for that. That's going to be on top of your taxes. So that's going to be with your tax bill, but it does affect your payment. So before you enter into contract to buy, you want to make sure you've talked with your lender and your realtor about all these different fees to make sure that you can still qualify and that you're comfortable with the payment. Two very different things, being able to qualify and being comfortable with the payment. So have you ever really loved a home and you wanted to purchase it and then you found out about some of these extra fees and you couldn't do it? Love to hear your story. Comments below.